Well. Look who we have here. It's me, Mr. Friday. Friday fishing. I'm out here at where am I? Sand Hollow, Utah. Got the boat. There it is. It's time to launch this thing, so. Alright, here we go. Do I want to do it backwards? I don't know what I want to do. Ooh, coffee. Phone. Oh, coffee. No. Don't fall coffee. Haha, we're on. We going. All right, let's see where should we go? I heard good things about the dam, so let's try that. Tracking's not that great. Let's get some speed. Uh-oh. Tracking is not great right now. Now on this spinner, I'll probably change out the trailer on this. We'll see. Like I said, we need to catch something. We got a couple swim jigs and I got a Ned rig also hooked up. Let this sink a little bit. Real slow. It's 47 degrees water temp. That's something. Let's keep on moving. Alright, so we're going to try swim jig, this time by I think that's where they are. I'm going to get this set up back where it was. And like I said, I have a Ned rig also that I will be using. So, looks like 15 feet of water. 15 to 18. Something's chasing it. Oh man, a little frustrating, but it's okay. But I need to catch something for you guys. Alright, we're going to tie on the Ned rig, the Rattling Ned. Let's try this. We're by the dam. So let's try this. This has the rattle in it. Maybe. Am I supposed to put it in? Yeah, there's something in there. See if the Ned works. All right, well, it's been 3 hours on the water and nothing, no bites. Not a nibble. With everything I have. I'm trying my best to catch something. Swim bait. Went all around. Trying my darndest. But no luck. Looks like skunk number 3 video is on its way. I wouldn't want to happen. I use my Ned rig, a swim jig, a spinner. I don't know, man. I had confidence. Confidence was the biggest thing. I need the confidence. Let's get out of here. But it would be cool if I caught something right now. So, my son wants to name this boat Rufio. He wants to name it Spider-Man. I'm thinking naming it the Viernes. What do you guys think? Comment below. What should I name my boat? Name it what my son wants? Spider-Man? Should I name it the Viernes? Well, everyone, it is a bust. Spent 5 hours here, 6 hours here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 5 hours. And yeah, nothing. Sorry about that, guys. I'm really trying to catch something for everyone. Get a little bit of action. But winter is tough here in the desert. Winter is tough.